Okay, Arthur Kill Waterway. That's the Outer Bridge Crossing, New Jersey, borderline of New York, New Jersey. Ship just went by. We got a little lull here in the action. This is the 59 10 horsepower Evinrude Sport Twin. Taking its first water run. I think I got the high-speed needle dialed in pretty well. Still running the old pressure tank. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Again, the big long shaft boat, so I'm not going very fast. Doesn't get the boat on plane, but it does pretty well. I'm afraid to run at high speed too long because I don't want it to start sucking air instead of water. Don't want to overheat it, but it is running pretty smooth. So let's see what we got. No, hold on. Obviously, the stock barrel pumping excellent water. My boat traffic. Checking my boat traffic. I'll stick out in a minute. Goes about as fast as my 9.9. Trying something a little different today. I have it on the furthest pin up and out. So the propeller's way away from the boat. Should allow it to suck more water than normal. I don't want to overheat it. Real quiet. Still pumping water pretty well, so it's catching water good. It's just forcing the big fat deep hole more up in the water. Make it harder to get on plane, but pretty cool. I would dare say this thing's running perfect, ready for sail. If it was a long shaft, I'd keep it. Now this is salt water, so we will have to flush it.
Apologize for the sideways video. I had no idea. Instead of scrapping the entire video, I figured I'd just leave it. So I apologize. Enjoy the rest of this motor. We'll see if we can get it back out on the water and record not like a dope.
Idles down real nice, real quiet motor. Hood rattles, motor mounts to the shop. sensor then. We'll go Evinrude. No shift tracker. The other guys do neutral, reverse, so. Oh, I didn't lock it. Should lock it. I'm not used to going in reverse. Watch your hand, buddy. And we're going. Back in the first before it stalls. There's a girl. What? About to stall. Alright, that'll do it for this one. 10 horsepower running like a dream. This is gonna make somebody happy. It's got everything new, so it should. And we're gonna check out old Grease Beastie over there. Yeah, guys, maybe I'll put some more of me voting here. I don't know. Just in case. Thanks for checking out the channel, guys. Be sure to subscribe, please. And thanks for enduring me. You guys are the best.